Fold the granny square like this, and it becomes a bag. Crochet tutorial is here. The materials needed are as follows. Hold the yarn between your pinky and ring fingers. Wrap it around your index finger once, and pinch it with your thumb and middle finger. First, make a slip knot, then adjust the loop to a suitable size. Insert the crochet hook into the loop. It should move freely. With the hook in front of the yarn over from bottom to top and pull through. 1 chain stitch is complete. Make a total of 5 chain stitches. Then, return to the first stitch. Insert the hook under the back bar, the horizontal strand, to make a slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through, then pull through the loop on the hook. This forms a ring with the chain stitches. Round 1. Chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through. There are now 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. This is 1 incomplete double crochet. There are now 2 loops on the hook. Make another incomplete double crochet. There are now 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. 1 cluster stitch, made of 3 double crochets, is complete. Then chain 2. 1 cluster stitch plus 2 chain stitches counts as 1 group. Let me demonstrate 1 more group. Complete the remaining 6 groups yourself. Note, at the end of each round, always slip stitch to the first stitch to join. The slip stitch does not count as a stitch and should be pulled tight. Round 2 is worked only into the chain spaces from the previous round. Chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker in the 3rd chain stitch. Then chain 2. In the next chain space, make 1 cluster stitch. Then chain 3, and in the same stitch, make another cluster stitch. Two cluster stitches separated by 3 chain stitches form a corner. Then chain 2. In the next chain space, make 3 double crochets. Then chain 2. 2 chain stitches on each side of 3 double crochets form a side. Continue alternating 1 corner and 1 side all the way around. For the final side, only 2 double crochets are needed because the initial 5 chain stitches at the start replace the remaining 1 double crochet and 2 chain stitches. There should be a total of 4 corners and 4 sides. Round 3. Chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. Then, in the chain space from the previous round, make 2 double crochets. Then chain 2. The method for the corners is the same. Make 1 cluster stitch. Chain 3. And in the same stitch, make another cluster stitch. Then, begin the side. Chain 2. Then work 7 double crochets evenly across without increases or decreases. Then chain 2. The pattern for the sides is 2 chain stitches on each end, with double crochets worked evenly across the middle. Follow the pattern of one corner, then one side to complete this round. For the final side, simply complete the remaining stitches to match the beginning of the round. Rounds 4 to 6 follow the same pattern. All 4 corners are made of 2 cluster stitches separated by 3 chain stitches. All 4 sides are made of 2 chain stitches on each end, with double crochets worked evenly across the middle. You need to make a total of 13 of these motifs.